Placing of solar panel over module mounting structure. In this session, we're going to be talk about how we can place the solar panel over the module mounting structure. Then we're going to be talk about how we can make a one string or one row of the solar panels actually, considering the module mounting structure. So for that purpose, in the earlier session, we have seen actually how we have prepared the module mounting structure, that is a longer and the smaller type of a structure. One can hold the solar panels up to the 14 numbers and other can hold the solar panels up to the 10 numbers. Overall dimension for this bigger is the 14.75 meter, and for the smaller it is 10.50 meter over here. So basically, once we have drawn the solar panel over here, so we have to move the solar panel over the module mounting structure actually. So before we just move the panel, we require one point actually, from which point we have to pick up the solar panel. So for that purpose, we make a guideline over here. So from this edge actually, we just prepare one guideline at a distance of 0.25 meter. So at a distance of 0.25 meter, we prepare a guideline. Now with the help of the move command, we just select this particular solar panels over here actually. We just select this particular solar panel with this corner edge, where we have taken the guideline of 0.25 meter over here. So once we just move the solar panel actually, so with the help of the pan command, we just go close to that where we want to put a solar panel. Again, we just click on the move command, so the solar panel will appear over here. So basically, exactly where the purlin and the rafters are cutting actually, and where the guideline has been drawn at a distance of 0.7 meter, we just click over here actually, exactly at this corner point. So we can place the solar panel in this way. So we can do the screw over here, like we can make a bolt or the screw mechanism over here so that we can mount the solar panel. Rather, we can use over here as a mid clamp or the end clamp over here actually, so that it will going to clamp the solar panel over the module mounting structure. So let's say if we install this particular one panel actually, so rest of the 13 panel if I want to install, we can use the move command over here actually. So with the help of a move command, we can make an array over here actually. So again, I am selecting the solar panel exactly that point where I have just placed the solar panel. So now we just click on this particular surface. So make sure that we are selecting the panel surface over here, and like that, exactly at the point where we have kept this particular solar panel on this particular purlin area, we just use the move command. Exactly we are putting that particular corner, but while in this case the placing the solar panel on the other side, we just use the control button so that the original position will remain same. Now we're going to just place the solar panel at a distance of 1.01 meter. So while we know the overall width of the panel is the 1 meter, we are leaving 0.1 meter area or this 0.1 meter length for inserting the mid clamp or the end clamp for the particular solar panels over here. So while we place the solar panel, make sure that this line should be green over here actually. The reason is that this line is exactly parallel to the green axis, that is why. So we just write the distance as an 1.01 meter, leaving the 0.1 meter space for the screwing purpose or inserting the mid clamp or the end clamp purpose. So at a distance of 1.01 meter, we just enter over here. So basically at a 1.01 meter, it has been placed the solar panel actually exactly parallel to this position. Now we want to make an array of the 13 number of the solar panel. So it is the first and rest of the 13. Total 14 number of a solar panel will be. So we just write here X and 13 while placing and enter. So we just writing here X and 13. So it will become an array of the solar panel actually. So overall dimensions of the purlin what we are choosing, it is 14.75. We just leave the 0.5 meter of a distance here for the future expansion purpose. If I want to increase the number of a panel on this side also, with the help of a splice kit, we can just increase the purlin length over here. So simultaneously, we can place the solar panel actually. We just leave the distance of 1.01. So here actually, which is a slot has been given over here. Inside here, we just insert the mid clamp over here actually. Either we can use the mid clamp or the nut and screw. We just join the aluminum frame with the help of the purlin over here actually. So like that, we can mount the solar panel over this particular rooftop area actually, or this particular roof mounting structure over here. Similarly, we want to mount the solar panel on the second mounting structure. So again I am choosing this solar panel. So again with the help of the move command, we just choose this particular panel. Control button we are placing over here. We use the pan command to just focus on this particular guideline or where on the purlin we want to put a solar panel. Again I am just activating the move command over here exactly where the purlin and rafters are cutting to this guideline, which is a distance of 0.7 meter from the extreme corner. So we just put it over here actually likewise. Similarly, we want to make an array of a 10 number of a solar panel. So this is a 1 and the rest of the 9 we want to put it over here. So for that purpose, again I am choosing this solar panel at this extreme corner. But while selecting, we select the surface over here and then we just use the move command. So exactly the solar panel will move over here. We put a control tab over here and make sure that this line is exactly the green line or parallel to the green axis. We just write 1.01 as a distance, leaving the 0.1 for the mid-climb purpose. Enter. We make an array of the 10. So rest of the 9 we want to construct. So x9 and enter. So like that, we can just make actually the 10 numbers of the solar panel that we are placing over this particular purlin. So like that actually whatever the area is available, whatever the length and width of the particular slots of the area has been available. So according to that, we have to do some kind of a modification whenever we place the solar panel with the help of the mounting structure over the rooftop area. So now actually we have just made this particular panel to be placed over this particular mounting structure. Now we'll make a group of this because this overall structure we want to now place over the rooftop area. So while placing actually once it is made a group, it's not going to move there actually. So there is not any separate part will be there. So that is why first we'll make a group of this bigger type of array. So I'm selecting the select command over here. So I'm selecting this mounting structure, put a control button also and just select this structure, this select structure, this also we have selected. Now on the lower side, we have to select the purlin also. So this is our purlin, this is our purlin, we have selected. Now we have to select the solar panels also. So this is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So each and individual solar panel we have to select, each and every purlin and array we have to select it over here before we move the solar panel over the particular area actually. So we have to make sure that whatever the screws are there, whatever the nuts and bolts we are using, it is exactly being attached over there actually. So while moving, there should not be any kind of a separate material will be left. So here actually we just also make the group of this nut. It is left actually whenever we are just doing this. So again 3 times we have to click on this. Again 3 times we have to click on this like this and just make sure that you are making the group of it. So now we have made the group of whole thing for the bigger type of array. We have made the back length, we have made the screws, purlin, rafter, the solar panel, everything we have made the group actually. So make sure that whenever we are just placing the array, each and every point of the array should move while we just moving the array over the rooftop area. Simultaneously for the smaller type of the array also we make the group over here actually. So again I'm just clicking over here, selecting command. So we select this particular array, that is the lower side of this array, then this, and the third we are selecting over here. On the below side we just select the purlin also. So this purlin we have selected, this we have selected. Now we have to select the solar panel also. So this 1, 2, 3. This is our 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the 10 solar panels we have selected. Make sure that any kind of a nut and bolt or the screw should not be moving over here actually. Fine. So once we have just assured with that, now we can just move or just make a group of this particular array over here actually. So just make a right click on it and just make a group. So now actually we place the solar panel over the mounting structure and we have made the group of the array. So basically when we are just clicking on this, so with the help of the solar panel, purlin, rafter, everything need to be selected over here. Again, whenever we are clicking on this, everything need to be selected over here actually. Then we can place the solar panel over the rooftop area by importing the diagram into the SketchUp screen over here actually.